Fellas down here doing this again? Destroying this neighborhood again? Why are you shut your mouth? Nobody wants to hear you. I own this neighborhood. What are you doing? All right, I'm someone push one. You're right. What are you doing? What are you doing?
My name is Sergio Wesley. Now, you see, about 9 years ago, that was me. Now I'm a program coordinator at the Center for Teen Empowerment. And luckily for me and the community, the Center for Teen Empowerment and the Somerville Police Department created initiatives like putting me on the board to help select the new police chief, as well as creating walking dialogues and sports activities to help foster better, positive interactions between young people like these and police officers. See, back then I didn't have my voice, but you can hear me now, right?
We hire youth ages 14 to 21 to be agents of social change and organize events. One of our most important events is our Youth Police Dialogues. Through interactions with the police, with seniors, public officials, and other youth, the youth of Somerville have found their voice.
Somerville has seen a dramatic decrease in youth arrests. We've gone down over 80% because of the work that we do here. And as a young black man growing up in the Mystic Projects, I had a certain choice I had to make in my life. I could have followed some of my friends' paths that led them into drugs and violence. I could have followed my cousin Johnny's path that led him to his grave. But no, the path that I chose was through teen empowerment. That helped me really find my rightful place in society, being a young leader and advocate for the issues we as youth face, which also allowed me to inspire individuals younger and older than me, which has helped me truly find my voice.
My name is Paul Anderson, and I've been a Somerville police officer now for 2 years. At the SPD, we work closely with organizations like Teen Empowerment. They give the police a chance to build and maintain relationships with our city's youth. They also act to give our teens a voice. As a new police officer, the work that I've done with Teen Empowerment has helped me to do a better job on the street. And it's helped to make sure that situations like this one don't happen again.
The Community Alliance for Safety and Peace is a unique cross-sector collaborative made up of city, county government, local law enforcement, community-based organizations, community members, and most importantly, our youth. We were one of the first cities in the country to develop a strategic plan on violence reduction, which we did with the input of over 100 community listening sessions. We were one of the first of the now 15 cities strong selected by the White House to participate in the National Forum on Youth Violence Prevention. We're proud to announce we're now going 6 years strong in implementing that strategic plan on violence reduction.
I am reading the words of Jorge Salazar, one of our delegates and beloved community leader who just passed away 2 weeks ago. One of the components of the plan is leadership academies that provide us as residents with the skills, knowledge, and tools to become community leaders. I graduated from the academy and now I am active and committed to keeping peace in my neighborhood.
To date, 60 residents have come together and have committed to become the solution to our problem. I'm glad to share with all of you that due to the high level of interest and additional funding, we will be having not one, but 2 leadership academies this 2015.
Good morning. My name is Deputy Frederick Noya. I'm the coordinator and developer of the gang diversion team, and I'm happy to be here. Prior to 2006, the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department did not have a substantial intervention program in place. I'd meet at-risk kids who desperately wanted out of their negative lifestyle, and they would come to us for help. Unfortunately, at the time, all we could do was send them to some local programs without any follow-up. So I formed a winning strategy and called it the Gang Diversion Team. We called it Carson GDT. It wasn't just trying to put a gang member or an at-risk youth into keeping them in a program just to keep them busy. It was much more than that. I partnered and created an MOU with different representatives of the community, such as school officials, mental health experts, university students who would act as mentors, and also faith-based organizations for a kid who needed some spiritual guidance. We started out with 10 programs, and now we have well over 50 organizations that we partnered up with. We meet every other month at our station and come up with a roadmap to their success. We have an efficient reporting system through our stats and an evaluation component. It's very important to us. To date, we've served over 900 young people and made a valuable and positive impact on their lives. The GDT is published in a peer-reviewed juvenile journal, and we have, I'm proud to say, a success rate over 70%, and it gets better. We now hold self-esteem classes through one of our collaborating organizations called PSI Love You. We have a tutoring center, and we send our kids on college tours. Most importantly, though, we've made some long-lasting friendships with our clients.